Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 11 constructions, exercise 11.1, question 3. Construct the angles of the following measurements. So we have to construct. So first let us see 30 degree how to construct. So first you have to draw a line. Just randomly one line. Okay. Then you can name it this line or a ray. Okay, this is the initial point, so A, and you can name this as B. So it's a ray. So now take your compass, take any measurement, just randomly any measurement you take, and then keep on this initial point of A. Okay, and draw a semicircle. Okay, then now don't change the measurement, keep this measurement. Now initial point of this arc, this semicircle, no, initial point of this is here. At this point you can keep this end of this compass and then give one cut. Okay, this becomes 60 degree. That already I told you in the introduction part also. The first cut becomes always 60. Now 60, when you divide, how much you will get? 30 you get, right? So that means this 60, what we have to do, we have to draw the angle bisector, means equally this angle we have to divide, then you will get 30 degrees. So how to do? In the introduction part I have explained to you how to divide equally the angles. Okay, so you can take the same measurement what you have done here. Okay, you have already did this. So the same measurement, what you can do, let's keep this point as C. This is C and this is our point is D. Okay, so now with the same measurement you can keep on C and draw the just slipping, I'm sorry, 1 second. Fix your compass properly, draw the arc. Okay, now the same point you keep on D and intersect this arc. Okay, so now same measurement, from this point we kept the same measurement and the same measurement from this point we have kept. So that means from both the side it is the equal distance. So now you join that point. Okay, this point join with A. So this is your 30 degree. So this you can name it. This is A, B, C, D. This can be your E. So that means angle EAB. EAB is equal to 30 degree. You can mention here also 30 degree. I hope it is clear to you. Now you can write the steps. Very easy to write the steps. I told you how to do it. First what we drew? We draw a ray. Okay, let me join it properly. Okay, so first what we did? Draw a ray AB. Okay, next what we did? Then we kept the A as a center and we draw this semicircle. Okay, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle keeping A as center. Okay, keeping A as a center, we draw the semicircle. Then third what we did, keeping with the same measurement, we kept on compass on C, and then with the same measurement we intersect this semicircle. Okay, now keeping C as center with the same measurement, intersect the semicircle. Okay, intersect the semicircle. Then what we did? Then we had to do the we have to draw the angle bisector. Okay, for angle DAB. Okay, this angle we draw this angle bisector, or also you can say that this we have written keeping C as a center with the same measurement intersect the semicircle, and you can name it D. Now it is easy. Now you can see keeping C and D as a center, we draw the arc. Okay, now keeping C and D as center, draw the arcs. Okay, now where they intersect, name it as E. Okay, last what we did, now we get the angle EAB becomes. So now angle EAB is 30 degree. So the steps actually, you can write in your own words. Whatever you are doing it in your own words, you can write down. So you don't need to learn by heart. Just whatever steps you are doing, write it in your own words. That's it. Next we will see in the next video, we will see how to measure this 22.5 degree. That's it. Thank you and God.